Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting now. Sit with a straight spine and set a 10-15-minute timer. This creates a contained practice so you can relax into focus. Close your eyes or soften gaze and place attention on the breath, either at the nostrils or the rise of the belly, because the breath is immediate and reliable. Notice its qualities without changing them. Once you've anchored, let peripheral sensations register. Keep returning to the breath when attention wanders, which it will. You continue by acknowledging interruptions instead of battling them. Label a thought thinking or a sensation feeling, then gently return to the breath. This prevents escalation. Make use of 3 to 4 deliberate deep breaths when you feel stuck, because they reset nervous system tone and calm reactivity. Notice urges to move or judge. Allow them to exist without acting. Once done, expand awareness to include body and sound, maintaining a calm, investigative attitude so your practice deepens rather than fragments. You finish by softening attention and spending 1 minute in open awareness. Include body, breath, and sounds. Then bring your hands together or place them on your heart to mark closure. Make a brief note of one insight or one difficulty. This builds momentum and self-knowledge. If you find restlessness or frustration blocks practice, shorten sessions to 5 minutes but repeat them twice daily, because frequent, manageable practice creates habit and reduces resistance.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.